Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to block or disable a key in Windows 10. Copy link from description and paste it. Click Releases. Click to download SharpKeys. Open downloaded file. Click Next. Click Next. Click Yes to continue. Click Close. Open SharpKeys. Click Yes to continue. Click Add. Click Type key. Press a key to block. Click OK. Click OK. Click Write to Registry. Close and restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.